Hi guys, it's Go Study here, and as the winter semesters are approaching for German program, and each and all of you guys are going for to open blog account as it is a necessary step for it. Now, before starting the video, if you do like our video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want us to do your documentations and any other thing, please do mail me on the following email me or message me on the following platforms. Now, Expatrio is one of the great platform for opening a blog account, and in today's video I will show you how to create an account in Expatrio so that you can go further for the blog account process. Now, before starting, Expatrio offers two packages for blog account. One is normal blog account package, which you can use to open only a blog account, and other is value package, which you will get health insurance plus blog account merged together, and also some additional benefits. As you can see, German blog account, personal health insurance, the setup fee of 49 euros will be returned back to you as a cashback, and incoming travel insurance will be also free for 3 months, current bank account and ISIC card with which you can enjoy certain benefits. Now hit on apply. Process very simple. If you are coming for masters or bachelors, hit on university student masters or university student bachelors. After that, if you are coming for master, you're most probably in between this age, and just select your age group. Do you have a child? No. If you do, yes. Now this will be the invoice which you have to pay, and as you can see, the initial setup fee is cut from this, and you will return here, you will get this money back when you go to Germany and activate your blog account. Now these are the perks that will be given to you in this value package: income insurance, health insurance, current account, free ISIC card, and etc. After this 5-stage process, you will hit apply now. Now you have to address, fill out some details about yourself, about your address, about the university you will be visiting, visa info, financial info, passport confirmation, and congratulations. Now let's start. The data I will be using is the reference data, so please do keep that in mind. Now after filling, please check everything, and first you will write your name, first name, your last name. Please follow the passport and write exactly as it is written in the passport. Your city of birth as written in passport, your country of birth, your nationality, email, and if you have an invitation code, you can write it here. You can use mine or you can leave it as it is. It's all up to you. Next. Now will be the next process. Do you have already have a German address? If you are applying from your country, then of course you don't have any address. Hit on no. Enter the address. Now after that, enter your address. Make sure that you do not use any slashes or dots, because it will give you an error and not proceed. Do not judge this address, because it is just something I randomly made up and it's not real. Street name, your normal address, and your number, house number, address number, something like that. Zip code, postal code, whatever you say. City, country, and next. Next is which university are you applying or visiting for your study. Click on the drop down menu and type your university. After typing your university, if you do not, if your if your university is not listed, please hit here. Otherwise, select from upper. Select the city which you will be visiting for your studies. What is the major you are going for? If same here, if it is not listed, then just click the tick mark. Now, what is your expected date of arrival? Make sure that it can be as authentic as it can be. If you are not sure, just write a date of 2/1 to 3/1 away from your current applying date or your visa appointment date. After that, what is the time estimated date for the start of your studies? Now, usually universities provide you the starting date of the studies, but in case you don't know, just hit a random in September or October, because that is the time where the majority of the studies start for the new winter semester. Next, now which country you are coming from? Of course, for us it will be Pakistan, India, any country like that. Select. Now, what is the source of your fund? Now, for this, please make sure if you have your own source of fund, or you are sponsoring yourself, then select any of this option except for private means. If your your family members are sponsored, private mean. Next is also private means. And which country you are the tax resident of? Of course, the country you are living in. Next. Now you have to upload a passport, first and second page. It should be colored properly. All four corners must be visible and picture should be as clear as possible. If you do not have passport right now, click on I want to upload it later and hit on next. Now click on all the check boxes. This is the last step, after which your ID will be created and you already have received an email. Confirm and submit, and hooray, you can now access your Expatrio user portal. Before hitting on this, go to your mail and you would have received an email from Expatrio asking for you to set up your password. Click on that. Set up a password. And set. Now after that, you can log in. Type in your email and log in. Now it will give you a little tour of the page. Just go for next, or you can cross it as it is. Now this is your blog on session. Once you upload the password, this session will change to review session. And as you can see, 1147 is the total amount amount that we have to pay. Monthly you will be receiving 934 euros. Your profile, as you receive travel insurance and life insurance, you can download it from here, document. At the download section, you will be receiving all the documents regarding which are necessary for you, like travel insurance or block account confirmation documentation. Everything will be received here. You can download it from here. Now I will be ending my video here. If you do have any question, please feel free to contact me on my socials or email. And please do, if you enjoy my video, please do like, share and subscribe. And I hope that you will be successful in your future endeavor. Thank you.